Fyodor Karamazov serves the Order of the Emperor's Holy Inquisition during the era Indomitus, leaving a trail of blood and fire in his wake for more than 2 centuries of service. From Barca to Sipramundi, the quest of this magistrate has rooted out burgeoning corruptions aplenty, despite the loss of unnecessary lives wrought in the process. A Puritan Inquisitor Lord of the Ordo Hereticus, who fervently adheres to the Amalafian Creed, the Pyrophant Judge of Salem Proctor believes the will of the Emperor, after millennia of planning, follows a divine course known only to himself. Leading entire armies to war to destroy those who defy the will of the Master of Mankind, both the Ecclesiarchy and Forian sect of Inquisitors alike despise this zealot for his actions made on the world to which his title is derived. Executing untold civilians using his sword of justice for the crime of heresy, even those found to be innocent were ruthlessly cut down as punishment for wasting his time. Adamant in his belief of not only his purpose, but also his abilities, not once has Fyodor felt a pang of doubt, hesitance, or guilt for his actions, as his deeds contribute to the grand design put in motion by the Emperor. Refusing to wield weapons commensurate to most Inquisitors, such as secrecy, guile, or subterfuge, Karamazov never falters when appointed to the spear tip of crusading armies, reveling in the slaughter of impure souls. Distrustful of his fellow man to the point of paranoia, it is miraculous that this aged Inquisitor has survived for so many years, considering his audacious undertakings. Some regarding his survival to be thanks to the grace of the Emperor. No doubt his armored steed has also been a factor. Bequeathed following the Abraxan purges of 930.M41, Karamazov discerns the wicked atop his hulking mechanical cathedral, derived from a dreadnought chassis known as the Throne of Judgment. Whilst his Lex Mechatic scribe to his right hand records all condemnations made by Karamazov, the execution servitor to his left mans its multi-melter, its dense armored plating compensating for its master's otherwise frail appearance. Whether judged for treason, witchcraft, or blasphemy, the judgment remains the same. Minor infractions never considered, for in Fyodor's mind, such affronts to the Emperor must be punished without mercy. Refusing to bestow forgiveness or clemency to any whilst he holds court. To this day, the Sword of Justice earns the keenness of its edge, as the crimes commit to parchment by the Throne of Judgment threatens to exceed the length of many an administratum archive.